Today we're going to do something a little different and take this 68 AMX out for a ride. It's got a 390 4-speed, an Edelbrock air gap intake manifold, and a new Holley Street Demon 4-barrel. I'm giving the Demon carb a try to see if it cures the off-idle stumble I've been having with the Holley 4160. I hope you enjoyed that short test drive. The Street Demon did a bit better with the tip-in stumble, but the biggest difference is the mechanical secondaries on the Demon carburetor. You can hear them kick in, or the 4-barrel kick in when I hit second gear, and the tires barked a bit. If you did enjoy it, and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.